I'm very satisfied and happy with the progress of the team in 5 weeks. These 5 weeks was very important to start to understand each player and the way they can answer to my proposal of training. And I'm very satisfied because we found new players also, and the team is more, there are more equilibrium, more coherence in the team. We have close to the imaginary first team, and for sure now I have doubts about when I must decide. It's not easy because we have 2 players in each position, and in some positions there are 3 or 4 players, and we can decide in the first instant to go in Europe. It's only 22 players, but even if you must play tomorrow the World Cup, in the 22 we need eliminate more 4. It's difficult now. It's not definitive because until September it's open, the group is open to come someone, and in the next step also many important is that in Europe the players have now a new contact with a different kind of football, much more difficult, and I want to watch these players have the same behavior, the same answer that they had until now, because here is a place in Goa. In this place they are very confident, and I want to watch the players in another ambience, another oppositors, and the 5 Portuguese teams that we're gonna meet are very strong, and this for me I can have a better idea about the personality, about the way of playing, the collective and the individual, of course.